everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're starting off with a new series called Monthly Favorites. It's nothing original, बहुत सारे YouTubers ये सब करते हैं, but I have personally never shared my monthly favorites, the products that I've been loving and raving about the whole month of January. So it has categories like fashion, beauty and some very random stuff, and I'll keep on adding categories next few months अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद आता है, like if I read a book, which is very rare क्योंकि मैं कभी book read नहीं करती, but अगर कुछ नया मेरी लाइफ में ऐड होता है, I will make sure to inform you guys in February, March and all of that. But January के favorites हैं जो मेरे, they are quite expensive because January has been a very expensive month for me. मेरे पापा का बर्थडे इसमें आता है and we went to shop for him a lot. और उसमें मैंने अपने डैड के लिए कुछ लिया हो या ना लिया हो, I got a lot of things for myself. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The first category is fashion, and fashion में the first thing that I would like to show you guys are my new Hush Puppies, new and the first ever Hush Puppies. Hush Puppies is a very expensive brand. It has been on my list for so long and मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं अपनी मम्मी या पापा में से किसी को Hush Puppies के फुटवेयर लेके दूँ. So I got one for my mom and I got one for myself. Jan की शुरुआत में there was a sale going on, like the New Year sale on Hush Puppies, and I saw these very randomly. By the way, they are leather sneakers which I absolutely loved. These were so nice. I don't know how to describe it, but they just called my name and the salesman told me that they are on 50% off. Originally they were for 3,500 rupees और मुझे 1700 में मिल गए. So I was really happy कि Hush Puppies की चीज 4000 से कम की कभी आती नहीं है. It has a very cute golden tag like logo of Hush Puppies which I really like. They look expensive and posh, and ये leather का material है which I absolutely love. And the best thing about Hush Puppies is that they're very comfortable. Like उनके सारे footwear are so comfortable. They have this bouncy thing inside, so आपके पैर बिल्कुल भी दर्द नहीं होते हैं. 1700 rupees for a product जिसको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. I think this is such a steal. Now this is something that I was obsessed with throughout January. मैंने बहुत सारे outfits के साथ ये bum bag पहना है. This one is from Club Factory. I got it from offline store of Club Factory जो GK1 M Block market में खुला है near Kunchals, और मैं वहाँ पे invited थी. I did a mini meet and greet and I shopped with a lot of you guys which was really fun. But yeah, I got this one for myself. I absolutely love this one. इसका it is very sturdy, it is very spacious, it is very comfortable क्योंकि आपको जब भी जाना हो, you don't need to hang a bag or a backpack. अगर आपको इधर उधर तक जाना हो, इसमें आपको सिर्फ पैसे और कुछ चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है. I think this is really nice and it is a very bold fashion statement. आजकल सब पहन रहे हैं and it looks really nice. Like this is one fashion trend which I am very obsessed with and I love this fashion trend. Like this doesn't sound outrageous to me. It has a very good quality which I would like to applaud Club Factory for, क्योंकि I think ये इतना महंगा नहीं था, like 1000 या 800 से कम का था. And yeah, this one worked for me really well. मैंने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा पहना है. Like it might be an absolute yearly favorite, you guys never know. Next two accessories are one pair of earrings and a choker. Now first let's talk about this choker because you've never seen a choker like this before. This has like polki stuff inside and I absolutely love it. This is from a brand called Swag Satrangi on Instagram and I absolutely love how quirky their accessories are and I absolutely am obsessed with this. इसकी quality is very nice. Like it is not one of those Instagram stores जो आपको lackluster kind of quality दे देते हैं. It is pretty sturdy as well. So yeah, if you are searching for very nice quality and a very unique जो आपको और कहीं design नहीं मिलेगा, I think you should definitely follow Swag Satrangi on Instagram because they have some bomb collection of accessories. The next thing is a pair of earrings that I got which is from a new Instagram store called Oxidized Junk. This is from my subscriber. These are mini silver चांद बालीज. You guys know मुझे चांद बालीज कितनी पसंद है. I've been wearing this like 3-4 times. मैंने जनवरी के मंथ में पहना है जब मैं बाहर गई and I have a lot of earrings guys. So me repeating earrings is a very rare occasion and मैंने इसको बहुत बार पहना है. So this is definitely worth the quality from Oxidized Junk on Instagram. Another thing जिससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed रही this month were these sunglasses from Miniso. I got these and whenever I wear it on my Instagram, you guys always ask me कि ये कहाँ से लिए and you guys compliment me कि the glasses are looking bomb on you, it's suiting your face shape and I absolutely agree because this is something that I really love. Now for the longest time मुझे reflectors बहुत पसंद थे, but this kind of classy, clean, chic vibe of black sunglasses which are like square in shape is something that I absolutely love. It is a very nice quality and it was just for 270 bucks. 270 rupees में इतना अच्छा चश्मा. You can only get something like this in Miniso. Can I show lingerie in monthly favorites because this is something that I absolutely love. This is a black net bra and I absolutely love it. I recently got it from Clovia. I shopped a lot of lingerie from clovia.com. I've been shopping ever since. I think 2 साल हो गए मुझे वहाँ से night suits and lingerie लेते लेते. While I was searching from new undergarments, I really liked the material of this and I thought that it is very very sexy and इसका back बहुत ही अच्छा है. Like it has a whole lot of net और पीछे भी इसके back में एक triangle kind of upwards जाता हुआ डिजाइन जाता है, like an Eiffel Tower just like this. ऐप डाउनलोड करी हुई है उनकी, सो कोई भी सेल हो तो मुझे पता चल जाता है. इसके यहाँ पे भी बीच में एक नेट दिया हुआ है as you guys can see and I love it. It lets your skin breathe. I've been obsessed with it ever since and I've been planning to do a lingerie video like what to wear under what, या फिर कौन सी ड्रेस के नीचे मैं पर्सनली क्या पहनना पसंद करती हूँ to flatter my body type, because it is really hard for curvy girls out there to find the right kind of bra for them. And I would really like to do a lingerie video for you guys if you guys want it, if you guys want my advice on that. So comment down below if you want a lingerie video. I would love to do that for you. The last fashion favorite is my hoodie right here. This is from Shein. You guys know how much I love shopping from Shein and how much I love hoodies in general, to just lay back at home and do my work and mind my own business. So I have this yellow hoodie जिसमें यहाँ पे एक alien बना हुआ है. You guys have seen me in that a lot. Since मेरे को उसका material इतना अच्छा लगा था and it was so super cozy yet thin, मुझे एक ये hoodie दिखी Shein पे and I got it the minute I saw it because I love hoodies and it is a very nice color because I've been obsessed with orange ever since. There is this orange sweater जो मैं पूरे January के month में repeat करती गई हूँ even if I'm going to a very lavish place, but वो मेरा शायद धुलने गया. मैंने उसको इतना पहना है कि वो धुलने गया हुआ है, so I couldn't feature it, but I really loved it. And so yeah, I've been obsessed with the color orange and I got it. इसमें लिखा हुआ है oh yes, and that is exactly what I felt when I got this hoodie because something that I absolutely love. Let me know कि मेरे पे कैसा लग रहा है because मुझे orange color, like I'm obsessed with orange. With that, I think we're done with fashion. Let's move on to beauty and skincare. So I have 4 things to show you. The first one is this Khadi Naturals का herbal face wash, which is in the variant orange and lemongrass. Now orange has vitamin C and lemongrass has cleansing and aroma therapy kind of properties, and this one is SLS and paraben free. It really works well with my skin because it is combination and very sensitive, so I think something like an orange can really soothe my skin. I really love the fragrance of it, like it smells like literal oranges and it feels like आप संतरा मंत्रा आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो. पास वाला एक vitamin C plus चंदन वाला था, मैं initially वो लेने गई थी, but since that wasn't available I got this one and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So if you want face wash recommendations, you can get it. Khadi has been amazing with my skin and if it suits you, you should definitely get it. The next thing, which is an absolute favorite in terms of beauty, is Wet n Wild का eyeshadow palette, which is in the shade Nude Awakening, and this was gifted by my friend Anandita. She has a channel, Anandita Chakravarti, and she gifted me this because I was searching for good eyeshadow palettes and Wet n Wild has some bomb palettes. Ever since I've started using it in the month of Jan, you guys have been commenting constantly under my videos like what is this kind of eye makeup that you do, this wine smoked up lower lash line, and this is the reason behind my eye makeup, my constant eye makeup. Like this is my go-to palette. It has very nice nude colors, it has some shimmers जिनको मैंने आज अपना as a highlight बनाया है. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the highlight that I'm wearing, like these 2 shades, this rose gold and this gold color, and इसमें बहुत अच्छे transition shades भी हैं, and this wine color, I love this. I think I'm gonna hit pan on it anytime. Like this is so nice. So for $4.99 I really dig this palette. This is something जो मैं everyday basis पे use करती हूँ. अगर आप एक beginner हो और आपको एक बहुत अच्छा eyeshadow palette चाहिए जिससे आप 2-3 basic looks create कर सको, I think Nude Awakening by Wet n Wild is really nice. This month I received 13 shades from Maybelline, which is their Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay, like 12-hour lip shade range, and I gave it a try and I absolutely love the formula. This is a little bit sticky like before, but it is long lasting and ये इतना भी stick नहीं करता है कि बहुत irritating हो जाए. So they have definitely revised their formula, but the shade that I'm obsessed with is this 135 Globetrotter. This is a very nice burnt orange kind of a color. Actually wearing it right now on my lips and I absolutely love this one. Like बहुत सारे और भी colors हैं that is meant for Indian skin tones in this range, but this is really nice. This दिस इज फॉर 650 रुपीज बिकॉज Maybelline का ये थोड़ा सा लुक्स कलेक्शन टाइप का है, like which stays for 12 hours straight and it is a matte ink super stay kind of a formula, but nonetheless मुझे 650 रुपीज में ये कलर इज like totally worth it because I love burnt oranges. मेरे पे चटक ऑरेंज इतने सूट नहीं करते हैं, so burnt orange and dark kind of colors really suit me and this is an absolute love. I've been wearing this throughout on my Instagram stories everywhere, even if it wasn't sent to me on PR. अगर मैं किसी Maybelline के काउंटर में जाती और मैं ये स्वॉच करती, I think मैं 650 रुपीज में ये लिपस्टिक ले लेती because this color is really nice. Alright, so the next thing in beauty is this box. This is a cup holder kind of a box जिसमें आप अपने मेकअप ब्रशेस रख सकते हो. This is good for traveling. This is from NYX. ये मुझे नायका से मिला था because I recently shopped from नायका's Republic Day sale and उसमें मैंने NYX के products लिए थे. There was an offer जिसमें अगर आप 1100 से ज़्यादा की शॉपिंग करोगे आपको ये फ्री मिलेगा. So this is the free item that I got. This is hollow and I really love holographic things and this is something जो मुझे ट्रैवल में बहुत हेल्प करेगा and I absolutely love this one. Let me know if you guys want to see a Nykaa haul specifically because I've never done a makeup haul on my channel and this time I got a lot of things from Nykaa and this one specifically the free item is something that I absolutely am obsessed with. मैंने इसके अंदर अपने brushes रखे हुए थे but I emptied it to just show you guys and yeah, this is very nice, very sturdy, good for travel and it is from NYX. So cute. Now we're moving to the random things, but randoms are the things that I absolutely love the most. So the first thing that I got is a pop socket holder. Like it is a pop socket for your phone and it has pizza on it. I actually got two pop sockets. This is the one, this has a smiley face on it and this is the one which has pizza on it and I really love it. The quality of this is very nice. I've been using this for like 15 to 20 days now and it is holding strong. I think pop sockets की quality generally बहुत अच्छी होती है. By the way, this is from the site beawara.com. मुझे इनका sponsored post Instagram पे दिखा था और मुझे ये पिज्ज़ा वाला दिखा था and I was flat over that. So मैंने क्लिक किया, मैं उनकी साइट पे गई, मुझे पता भी नहीं था ऐसे नाम की कोई साइट है and उन्होंने लिखा था कि I think उनके 10 days में आ जाएंगे but they got delivered within 3 days which is really nice and fast. So good job beawara.com. It was for rupees 200, I think 200 या 250 का था but absolutely worth the quality. Like Club Factory या Shein की quality से ये better है. So I think 250 या 200 rupees में it is totally worth it if you are a junkie, like pop socket junkie like me. Okay, so the next thing and probably the most favorite thing out of all this favorites, like it is a YouTube planner and it is from my dear friend Megha from the Instagram store Unorthodox Peeps. You guys know that I love her, so I had to mention it because she gave me a pretty thick YouTube planner. She designed it for all of us YouTubers and she has designed all sorts of planners and I absolutely love the thought process behind it. She has written some really cute notes inside and the one thing that I really like is how efficient this planner is because इसमें हर एक month के end में एक month end progress दिया होता है जिसमें आपको बताना है कि आपके कौन से टास्क कंप्लीट हैं, कौन से रह गए. इसमें आप अपना कोलैबोरेशंस भी ट्रैक कर सकते हो कि आपके कितने मंथ में कितने ब्रांड्स के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेट किया एंड उसकी थीम एंड प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, कॉन्टैक्ट्स, ईमेल लिस्ट, एवरीथिंग, like everything that a YouTuber needs. This comes very handy. One was for rupees 1900, a pretty steep price, but you guys don't know how much effort and money it like really requires to make a customized notebook. So अगर एक normal notebook आपको 400-500 में मिलेगी, I think एक customized pretty thick, like this is so thick. This is the thickness of my wrist right here, as you guys can see. 1900 was totally worth it because it is gonna last for a whole year and इसमें मैं बहुत सारी planning कर पाऊंगी. The next thing that I absolutely love is a laptop bag that I ordered from Prop Shop. I've been using this. मुझे जहाँ भी जाना हो अपनी meetings के लिए या फिर बाहर editing करने के लिए, I always carry my MacBook in this. This has very nice compartments. Like first of all, look at the design. It's very nice. I love the tan tones to it. I love this grid जिसमें small little hearts बने हुए हैं. इसमें बहुत अच्छे compartments हैं जिनके अंदर आप अपने phone का charger या earphone या फिर pen drive रख सकते हो. So I've been obsessed with this color scheme of the bag and I love to make a fashion statement जब मैं जा रही होती हूँ, you know, अपना बैग टांग के with a laptop and I'm like a working, you know, boss bitch kind of a vibe. Alright, so that's it for the monthly favorites. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I loved shooting this monthly favorites video for you guys, by the way. This week's quirky shout out goes to Nabila Said. I literally loved your comment. You are so sweet and just keep watching my videos, keep supporting me and keep spreading happiness and quirkiness. If you also want a quirky shout out, just answer this simple quirky question of the week, which is, should I make a lingerie video and a Nykaa haul? These are the two kind of videos that I really want to do, but I also want you guys to tell me if I should do it or is it a bad idea. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this concept of monthly favorites, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, if you've logged on to my channel for the very first time, I would highly request you to just check out the videos linked below. I know you're gonna love the content that I create, and if you do, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification to get updates on every time I upload a new video, and follow me on all my socials, especially Instagram, because I keep you guys updated with everything I do on my stories. And I'll see you next time. Bye.